Matthew's on jacking control because I don't like jacking up stuff. And Matt loves it, don't you, Matt? You love it.
There is a plastic thing you can take off, but it's tough.
If you're wondering why Matt's got a funny eyebrow, he decided to throw a sock at himself at work. He's not actually a thug.
25, I think.
Oh, it is that one. He's actually working on her own car.
For a change. You're not getting me to do it.
I want to try and do as much as I can myself, but there might be a bit that obviously I can't.
Plus, I have a dodgy eyebrow, so I can't do anything.
Yeah,
I'm partially disabled,
Matt's
so.
Thug Life. Thug Life chose him. I just can't believe you did it.
Do you know what? Well, the funny thing is, it was only an under tray, a plastic under tray. It was on an Audi A7, that's what it was.
Launch a
It's just for anyone who has an A7, which is like a 16 plate. They do have 13mm nuts that hold on the under tray on a metal bracket.
random
They go very rusty, very hard to undo.
And be careful if you pick a fight with your eyebrow.
Yeah, it was a medical emergency. That's what it was called at work.
Right, that's them three done. I'm going to use this as like a little storage pot. Right, what we didn't do, I might do the underneath ones and get them over and done with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go and lay under there then.
Can I have my what is this pad?
Yeah, it's over there.
Oh, you know what? You just stay there.
I'm cameraman.
Don't hurt yourself. And don't zoom in on my butt.
Dee. I'm not.
I'm not looking forward to this bit. Do you reckon they're smaller than you at the bottom?
Probably like 25s. Well, they're going to be under there, aren't they?
Oh, they're there. Yeah, I can see 20. That's 25. I will try 25.
20, I think it'll be 25.
I'll put it in my hand. Yeah, these. Oh god, these are. Oh, one I think is rounded off.
Oh no.
Okay, like that.
Yeah, that'll do, because then if it does drop, you can roll.
Oh, got it.
Hey, 1 out of like 12.
I think there's 6 under here.
I laugh you've undone like the under tray and not the bumper ones.
Oh, don't. No, you have to say further under. Don't even say that, because that would be so crazy. I'm like, no, I've done it. You're like, okay, it's the under tray. Oh, the whole thing. Right, that's one down. Another one. Look how my legs fly. It's just starting them, and then they're okay. But they're really rusty. Well, look at that one. You're gonna get them views, get them angles. I hope you got that. I might zoom in on that. I'm just eating my own hair.
I'm a bit hungry.
Oh no.
Oh no.
There. Yeah, so you like look at them.
Oh yeah.
It's just the first initial bit.
It's
Matt just can't help but get involved, can you?
To be fair, you asked for my help.
Only on that one bowl.
Yeah, because you rounded
Now he
it.
starts like doing the whole car. Yeah, I rounded it by accident. Yeah, look at that. You can donate £2 a month, and we might fix his eyebrow.
It don't look too bad though, does it?
Oh, you look quite cute then.
Oh, thanks.
This is what a hard life a mechanic has. Spends all week at work.
Oh, lady.
It looks darker on camera.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. Did you call me a bolts lady?
Yeah.
It's currently bacon sandwich time, whilst we try and figure out this grill. My dad would kill me right now if he came into this. Sorry, Dad. Yeah, but there's more than one S-line.
Yeah, but how do you know they've done the grill then? No, not S-line, isn't that because of the style thing?
No, I thought it'd just be...
Well, there's tabs underneath it, so...
Maybe you do, just no one's ever mentioned it.
Solid.
How do you like to
Tiny
see?
little screws, isn't it?
We've made progress.
I've done nothing. There's nothing good at it,
Yeah, but we've done a bit. Oh, well, the arm's not connected then. I thought the actual
Yeah.
arms, them bits,
Yeah, it is.
were connected to that bit.
Oh no.
Actually, you could pretty fucking get it out there, couldn't you? You got enough.
You have on your side, Dad.
You got how many screws you got? You got the screws there, haven't you?
Swap sides. If you and Matt swap sides.
Oh, you got that little one there.
Just Matt, please be careful and don't get anything in your eye. Yes, Matt, that's not the attitude to have.
Top bit goes like that then. So that, you know that bit goes there, don't we? Yeah, that's first.
There's
That's it.
bolt lines up as well.
Yeah, like.
So this is the end result. I think I did a pretty good job.
Didn't do nothing.
I did help, didn't I?
You passed me a screwdriver.
No, to be fair, if all you Audi A1 owners on the forums, you're all liars, because that was not a fun and easy job.
Very zoomed in on your head. How do I go out? Oh, wrong way.
It's not on
There you go.
it's not on auto.
Oh, well,
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it's painting this because obviously if I put the grill on and it's not painted, you're gonna see a massive lump of metal, which isn't gonna look very good. And we are ready to go. I wonder how dry it is. Oh, the ends are alright. Probably the middle's still a bit. Okay, I'm not even hyping this up, but how good does it look? And we're done.
Jesus. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, well happy with it. Basically got a baby RS now. Literally a baby, and I just think we're done.